camping here, see? Someone's camping there. In the middle of the desert.
May camp, ano sila eh?
Campers.
Campers. Okay, campers. Ayun na.
Go, go, go.
Ayan dyan, si Saudi na yan, Marcia.
Dapat pag magsasalita tayo, mga ganito kalayo. Hindi Vincent doon. Baka meron din.
Yes.
Why that wall looks like a
It's another country.
wait, there's another country?
Landmark.
Behind that wall.
Talaga? Ay, ba't may anong plate? Saan? Ito pa yung sticker.
We went to another country? Oh.
Tsaka may tower sila, watchtower.
Watchtower ba ito? May paddle pa sila.
So that wall will never end.
Pero logo natin yan.
Oh.
Mga tanim-tanim din.
Wait, Sunny has never been this far. Yeah. I mean, maybe yes. Oh yeah.
Ano yung kaninang ano? Ano pakisarado ng mga
If we're going there, I'm gonna open up.
no pets allowed.
That's good. Pets. We do. Oh yeah, we have some.
Saan ang reception?
Kids Club.
Ay, ang laki-laki, di ba? Hindi ko mag...
Kids club in the church.
Reception.
Why it's here?
Ooh,
Oh, I just saw it. I just saw the park.
the beach and the
Park.
swimming pool.